Okay, here I am experimenting with your laptop, making videos and what have you. Hopefully hard to figure out some of this stuff, especially when I don't know any of it. You know, kind of turtle along slow with every little thing. But it's definitely better, good to have. Sometimes I don't even want to pick up the laptop because I know I don't know anything. I got to figure it out. I act like a weak piece of shit and I don't do it. But now I've got to figure out, you know, I'm so okay with been doing everything on here. I'm like killing my phone. It's like dead. It's like I have to keep erasing shit to do a video and send it on YouTube. And now with this laptop, hopefully this will be the answer to my problems. I don't know. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to send this, figure out how to send this. Sunday. It is fairly overwhelming sometimes, the lack of knowledge that I have when it comes to computers and all of this shit and making videos. I see all of this technology and all these things here that the laptop is offering me, you know, Radeon graphics, Ryzen, I don't even know what this shit is, man. And I have to figure it out. At the time, and I go, what else am I going to do? Hang myself up. It's like I said before, it's Sunday, 29, getting through the holiday season. Put up a couple of videos yesterday that drove me fairly nuts because I kept fucking up and being lazy and not checking it before I uploaded it, and then I uploaded it and I check it and it's like, oh my god, the thing is on for 30 seconds each picture. It's fucking, people click on it and it says my stupid face and not saying nothing for 30 seconds, followed by another 30 seconds nothing. I have to take it all down and put it up. I'm just trying to take it easy today. Trying to go slow, try not to do too much, try to recover, try to reinvigorate myself for the upcoming week, you know, that fucking shit. Try not to curse as much too. Very gray, dreary Sunday. I guess that's good for a test. Right? Let me see if I can successfully go from this, take this video, and upload it and send it to Facebook. If I can do that correctly, then I'm one step closer to being able to give this poor guy a break from all the film and videos and everything I do with that. Let the laptop shoulder some of the This goes out to a certain few people, certain few fucking guys I know pissing me off. Let them know when I see them, I'll tell you that. I'm more Mr. Nice Guy. This year, I tell you, some people are going to be in for a rude awakening when they cross my path. I almost want to feel like going looking for them, but it's taking too much time out of my day. I should really be working and breaking, but then again, I'm supposed to be taking it easy, resting. This is where I need a girlfriend. I'll go out and do something, you know. One person really pissing me off today, fucking friend of mine, supposedly friend of mine. side though, you know. Store this shit up here. Will come a day of reckoning. And they least expect it. Bam!